Acer at its Next at Acer event in New York unveiled a range of new and updated products across categories. We got some hands-on time with many of these, and in this video, we'll look at what's new in the company's Predator range of gaming products. Acer has introduced a new member to its Helios gaming laptop family called the Predator Helios 700. It features a 17-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, and NVIDIA's G-Sync technology. The laptop is available with different CPU and GPU configurations, which include up to a 9th gen Intel Core i9 CPU and options of either an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 or RTX 2070 GPU. You also get up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 5.1 speaker setup, and a 4th generation of Aeroblade 3D fans and vapor chamber for cooling. The big highlight of the Acer gaming laptop though is the Hyperdrift keyboard, which slides outwards, thereby revealing 2 additional air intakes and a glass panel. This also gives you a peek at the 5 heat pipes inside. Once out, the palm rest area aims to offer much more comfortable position for gaming. You get per key RGB backlighting, MagForce WSAD keys, a trackpad with 2 discrete buttons. The Predator Helios 700 also features a turbo hotkey for instant overclocking and Predator Sense software to monitor your GPU and CPU status. The Acer Predator Helios 700 will be available in April at a starting price of $2,700. It will be coming to EMEA regions and China later in June and July respectively. The Predator Helios 300 is Acer's mid-range gaming laptop, which now gets a new design. The metal chassis now features teal blue accents, new keyboard with Predator fonts, and a narrow bezel around the display. The laptop will feature up to a 9th generation Intel Core i7 CPU, up to a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q graphics card, up to 32 GB of RAM, and up to 2 PCIe NVMe SSDs in RAID 0, plus a standard mechanical drive. It will be available with either a 15.6-inch or 17-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time. The new Predator Helios 300 also features Acer's Aeroblade 3D fans, Cool Boost technology, 4-zone RGB backlighting, an enlarged spacebar, and sculpted WSAD keys and other hotkeys. It will be available in the US this month at a starting price of $1,200 and will be coming to China and EMEA regions later in May and June respectively. Acer also launched the Predator 43-inch large format gaming display that arrives as a companion to the company's Orion 5000 desktop. The monitor has a 4K UHD resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. Also, there's an adaptive sync feature that is touted to adopt the frame rate of the outputting device. The VA display of the latest Predator monitor has a wide color gamut of 90% of the DCI P3 color space. There's also VESA certified Display HDR 1000 certification. For console gamers, the monitor has 3 HDMI ports as well as a USB Type-C and a display port. Acer has provided a light sensor on the Predator monitor for power saving. Similarly, there's a proximity sensor that wakes up the screen from standby mode when viewers move in front of the monitor or revert to the sleep mode when there's no movement detected. There is also a remote control. The Predator CG437K gaming monitor will be available in the US and EMEA both in September with a starting price of $1,299 or €1,499. Thanks for watching. We have other videos from the Next at Acer event, so be sure to check those out as well. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.